Imagine earning $10,000 a month just by using Google Maps. Whether you're looking to boost your income or start a new business venture, Google Maps can be your gateway to financial freedom. Stick around to learn how. In this video, we're going to explore 3 powerful ways you can use Google Maps to make $10,000 a month. Before we dive in, here are the basic requirements you'll need: a computer, a reliable internet connection, and a Google account. With these tools, you're ready to start making money with Google Maps. First, Google My Business, or GMB. Head to Google My Business and create an account. Enter your business details and verify your location. Next, add high-quality photos, encourage customer reviews, and regularly update your business information. Use keywords relevant to your business to improve search visibility. Offer GMB optimization services to local businesses. Charge a monthly fee for managing their listings and ensuring they rank high in local searches. Second, creating and selling custom maps. Use Google My Maps to create custom maps. These could include tourist guides, real estate maps, or local business directories. Market your maps to businesses, tourists, or real estate agents. Offer personalized maps for a fee. Charge a one-time fee or subscription for access to your maps. Alright, now let's dive into a fantastic opportunity: offering local business advertising services. First up, we have the setting up phase. Approach local businesses and offer to manage their Google Ads campaigns, specifically targeting users on Google Maps. Next, let's talk about implementing. Create targeted ads that appear when users search for related services or businesses in a specific area. And finally, the earning potential. You can charge a percentage of the ad spend or opt for a flat monthly fee for your services. This is a great way to help local businesses thrive while also generating a steady income for yourself. Now, let's see these methods in action. We'll navigate through Google My Business, create a custom map, and set up a Google Ads campaign targeting Google Maps users. Watch closely to see how it's done. To maximize your success, keep your Google My Business listings updated and engaging. Make your custom maps visually appealing and informative. When pitching advertising services, highlight the potential ROI and provide case studies or testimonials. Common issues and solutions. Ensure you provide accurate business details and follow up on verification steps. Double-check your data and ensure you're using the correct tools within Google My Maps. Use social media, networking events, and local business directories to find potential clients. To recap, we've covered 3 ways to make $10,000 a month using Google Maps: optimizing Google My Business, creating and selling custom maps, and offering local business advertising services. Each method provides a unique opportunity to leverage Google Maps for financial success. Ready to start earning with Google Maps? Try out these methods. Share your success stories in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips using technology. Let's make your financial goals a reality. By following this structure, your video will be engaging, informative, and actionable, helping viewers understand and implement ways to earn $10,000 a month using Google Maps.